gorgeous. Okay, this video gonna be exciting. You see in the title, you know what we're doing. I have this amazing package from Shrine. I didn't have a chance to use any of the products, so the products I have in here are the Drop It Here Dye drops. What I love about that is no single-use plastic inside. You guys probably know how much I love that about Shrine and about every other brand. I have a shade called Purple Silver. Red, oh my god, red, you guys. Peach, oh, peach sounds nice. Kind of like this. Aqua, pink, surprise. Hot pink, blue. I think I'm just gonna tone my hair a little bit down because my hair looks kind of brassy now, so I'm gonna go for the silver. It's a non-permanent hair color that you drop into your own conditioner to achieve your perfect shade. From pastels to deep tones, use a drop chart below to find your desired shade. Simply add the recommended amount of drops into your own conditioner using the bowl inside. Drop it will wash out after 3 to 12 washes depending on the amount of a drop. So if we're gonna use less, it will wash off faster, obviously. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is have your own conditioner, add in as many drops as you wish, mix it, apply it, keep on for 10 minutes, then wash it off with water only. You don't shampoo it because otherwise it's a toner, so you're gonna wash off one time already. And then dry and style, that's it. So I think let's do that. So this is how it looks, this is what we have. So that's the drops. Then we have like a silicone-ish bowl to mix it, and then a silicone spoon to mix it. Have the conditioner in. Let's add in the drops. Ooh, it looks purple. I'm gonna go for, I think, like 4 drops, so I don't want this to be super intense. Let's mix this up with the spoon provider. Okay, so they say to apply this on a towel dry hair, so it's perfect on your hair wash day, and the hair needs to be clean obviously because later you're not shampooing it after applying this. So I washed my hair actually today morning. I'm just gonna quickly go and wet my hair and towel dry it and then come back to you to apply this. So what I'm gonna do first, I think I'm just gonna section my hair a little bit. You don't really need to section even because it's a conditioner, right? Have a brush, use that, but you can just go with your hands. I mean, at the end of the day, using conditioner, right? So I think eventually I'm gonna go in with the hands as well. Toner is on. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then come back to use with the finished result after I'm gonna wash it off. And we're done, guys. I absolutely love the color. It's not really a lot of a difference, to be honest, because I only went for like 3-4 drops. They recommend to start from 6. Therefore, it's not super silver, but I didn't want it to look super silver. All I wanted to do is to take off the brassiness, and it did exactly what I wanted. So I'm happy with the result. It didn't stain my hands like you've seen. I was applying this using my hands. My hands doesn't look purple or anything, so it didn't stain my hands at all. Let me know which color I should try next time. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more similar videos, or should I do better like makeup reviews, tutorials, vlogs maybe? Yeah, let me know what's your vibe, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.